Hi everyone and welcome back. So this video will show you how to get one of the best builds out there. The steps to get this build are quite easy. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to go to settings and click on it. Scroll down. When you get to the settings menu, click on systems and then scroll down to add-ons. Click on it, navigate to your right and click on add-on unknown sources. Make sure you enable it. After that, click yes. And then on your remote, click back button once. And then once you get back to the settings menu again, click on file manager. Now scroll down to add source, double click it. And then here click on none. Click on none. Once you click on none, this dialog box, this interface will pop up. So all you have to do is to make sure you enter this URL exactly the way it is. Okay. And when you enter in this URL, make sure the caps lock is off. So only use the lowercase. So https. After entering the URL, double check, triple check. So this is the URL, triple check it, double check it, and then click OK. So once you finish it, automatically it automatically enters a name for the media source file. You can change it or you can leave it, but in this case I will leave it. Then click OK. Once you click OK, click on the back button on your remote once, and then once you get to the settings menu again, navigate and click on add-ons. Once you get here, scroll down and click on install from zip file, and then once you get here, scroll and click on the name you saved the media file with. In this case, I use Dix repo. Click on it. And once you get here, click on repository.dix-23.zip. Click on it, and then you have to wait for the Dix repo to reinstall. It's already installed from my screen. At this point, scroll down and click on install from repository. Now scroll down and click on Dix repository. And now at this point, you have to scroll down and click on program add-ons. And then once you get here, scroll up and click on Chef Omega Wizard. And then once you get here, scroll down again and click on install. Then click OK. And then you have to wait for the Chef Omega Wizard to install. So as you can see, the process is already going on. If you see from my screen, it's only installing 1%, so you have to wait for it to complete to 100%. So once it completes, automatically this pops up. All you have to do is click close. Once you click close, another pop-up will come out. Then once you see this, you have to click yes, so that you can be able to install any build. So click yes, and then when you get here, you will see the list of builds available. As you can see, you can see Dix AIO Debris, Dix AIO Debris, Dix Xenon Free server, a lot of them, right? So you can choose any of this build to have on your device. So there are many. Let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 top builds. All these builds are working perfectly well. You can choose any one of them to have in your device. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose this. I think this is the latest version now. This is the Dix AIO Debris. I'm gonna choose it, and then I will click continue. And it will initiate the whole process. So yeah, so this is how to have this particular build on your device. It's very, very nice. I have used it on my device, and I can show you guys that this is one of the best builds you can find out there. Zero buffering and streams well. Okay, so I recommend this build. So as you can see, it's already installing. By the way, it's already recommended to use a VPN when accessing this kind of app on its content. So a VPN is recommended. Get a VPN out there. A VPN is very cheap, $5, $1, $2. Just make sure you get the one that will serve you according to your pocket, and then that's it. So as you can see, we already finished having this on our device. So if you click close now, the build the Kodi will exit, and the build will, once we relaunch our device, we'll be able to access this content of this build. If you find this video helpful and good, subscribe, like this video, share with your friends that want to go cordless, right? So that's it, guys. See you guys in my next video.